Alright, y'all, looks like HEB wash is working this time. So, we're gonna do a bottom wash retake of this. The Plano, Texas HEB, by the way. Yep, the cone's gone, so that's good. I'll do a bottom dollar wash and see how bad it is. But, oh my, it is so dirty. It is so dirty. It's nuts how dirty it is. Oh, thing's shaking and somebody just pulled up behind me. So
please insert your credit card in the reader below.
it's so weird how PDQ wants you to do payment before picking a wash package.
Would you like our ultimate package? It includes all of our wash.
I already did that.
Would you like the premium wash package? Would you like the deluxe wash package?
That's your base wash right there. Okay.
Please take your receipt. The wash is currently busy. Please wait.
No. Camera zoomed in a little bit. All right. Saying protect your finish. I'm like, no thanks.
The wash is available.
Make sure my mirror doesn't hit that post. All right. This thing is stupid dirty. Man, this thing is so dirty. I last went through this like 2 years ago. Was that supposed to be soap? Because that was literally just straight water. Oh gosh. The whole brush mechanism looks a little sus. A little bit of soap is coming out, but it's still like almost all water. If this thing gets my car dirtier than before going through the wash, it'll show, because the wash I went through before this was pretty good. Wait, is it? Looks like it's leaking out of the left arm there. Yeah, I got literally no soap with this wash. And now I'm on the flash dry. Yeah, I'm not surprised. Another tandem that didn't do so great, but... my camera is about to die, so, and at this point, if it dies, it dies. At this point, only need the dash cam anyway.